Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you a little more in depth on specifically placement of DIY at home eyelash extensions and also how to make volume fans. To be honest, I didn't really realize the original video that I put out would get so much attention and views that I might have skipped over some essential tips to any beginners who are unfamiliar with lash extensions or have never gotten eyelash extensions done before. So I'm going to give a little more insight on how exactly I go about placing these eyelash extensions. Now, one thing that I wasn't exactly completely clear about in the video is when you're placing your DIY eyelash extension volume fans onto your eyelashes, you are not placing them on the skin, you are placing them on individual eyelash hairs. Although this might be difficult to do on yourself, it's not the end of the world if you place a volume fan on multiple lashes, since the glue that we use is not professional grade. When you are making your volume fans, you want to select up to 3 to 4 hairs or 2. The eyelashes that I used in the original video are auto blooming, meaning that when you pick up the lash, it will automatically turn into a fan. However, if it does not, you can simply pinch the base with extremely clean fingers. My fingers I cleaned with alcohol to get all oils off. Pinch the bottom and twist a little bit and it will form into a perfect fan. You can do that, or with the lashes, like I said, they automatically form into fans conveniently. So I do recommend using the eyelashes that I used in the video. So if they don't automatically turn into a nice fan, just grab the base, pinch, and then dip into your glue and begin placing. For placement, you can either use tweezers to isolate your lashes, but when doing it on yourself, I find it easier to use a spoolie brush to move other hairs out of the way until you can isolate one single eyelash to your best ability. Then place the eyelash extension with fresh glue onto the one single hair that you isolated using the spoolie brush. Here you can see me doing it there. I personally like to look down into a mirror when applying my at-home DIY eyelash extensions, as it makes it a little bit easier to see up close how I am isolating my lashes. I recommend doing it that way as well, as looking directly into a mirror makes it a little bit difficult. So if you look down into a small mirror, it's a little bit easier. Anyway, I hope that cleared up some of your questions in regards to placing your DIY at home eyelash extensions and how to make volume fans. Of course, practice makes perfect. Practice your isolation and of course plan out and practice the shape that you want to achieve to make sure you get nice, wispy, fluffy looking eyelash extensions. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to see more videos like these, and I will see you next time. And of course, leave your comments down below on any other advice that you want for eyelash extensions or any other videos that you want to see. Bye!